Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and it's summertime. And one of my favorite things about summer is beautiful fresh salads. You know, the garden's a wonderful bounty of all sorts of things at this time of year. And summer's almost over, so before it ends, let's make a nice salad. And today I'm going to make a salad that's got corn, purple onion, fresh tomatoes, cilantro if you like, or parsley if you don't, and a nice light dressing to bring it all together. So why don't we start with the dressing, which is going to be a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, which is where every good dressing starts, I think. Some lime juice and zest, and a little bit of salt and pepper. We all have somebody in the family who makes great dressings, and in our family, well, my mom, of course, but my Aunt Peggy, man, growing up, my Aunt Peggy would make the most wonderful oil and vinegar-based dressings at her house. And I remember we would go over to her house to eat, and there would always be a really pretty just jar on the counter, and it would have wonderful homemade dressings in them. And I've always enjoyed kind of making them myself too. Thanks to my Aunt Peggy. She started that tradition. So this is super simple. Lime juice, lime zest, salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. So in a bowl here, I'm going to combine my corn, gotta get every niblet out of there. Mom might come behind me, whip me across the legs. Purple onion, these are beautiful colors together too. Another nice thing about salads. Tomatoes, look at those colors already, it's gorgeous. And I'm gonna add in a little parsley. And this is, Mom's got a beautiful garden outside and wonderful fresh herbs. And it's so nice to be able to walk outside and just get that beautiful fresh. And you can tell, golly, can you tell? That that is fresh and still got dew on it. That's great. A little parsley. Again, the recipe calls for cilantro, and I've got cilantro here, but we're not big cilantro eaters. Nobody around here really likes it that much, including me. So fresh parsley will make a nice substitute. Avocado, I just can't get enough. I don't know about you. I love it. We eat them daily at my house. Yeah, this one looks really nice. Get the seed out. Be careful when you do that. Avocado hand, I've heard it called. That little injury that can come along with it. And I always just spoon them out. Try to make sure that I get every bit of it. I don't want to waste any. And avocado will brown quickly, but a little lemon juice is a nice preservative for the avocado. That always works. So I'm just going to slice it up here into little cubes. Careful to not tear that up whenever I fold in this dressing. Look how pretty. Eat the rainbow, right? That's what they say. When you eat the rainbow, you know that you're eating right. Beautiful, beautiful summer salad. Nice and light. Wonderful. And if that's not a dressing for your enough dressing for your liking, just make a little more. And as always, we're going to fold that together and try not to mash everything up. I want it to be married together, but I want it to all be intact and whole. I'm not trying to make guacamole. But what a nice salad. This is almost like a nice salsa, you know? And the cilantro would be a nice addition to this. So if you're into cilantro, that'll go really, really nicely with the salad. Look how pretty. Very simple, nothing to it. So before summer's over, make this for your friends and family. I think that you'll like it. Super fresh, beautiful flavors, and the colors just are divine.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.